I don't know if this is a great shot. Sun is high noon, shining down in about 11 o'clock position. So as I rotate around to the 12 o'clock position, about more like it was at the 9 o'clock position. Now is on me, doing the best shot possible. I'm shooting a 16:9 aspect ratio, and I'm on the highest resolution 4K 24 frames per second. This is the Xtra Muse, and welcome to the Xtra family. I don't know if I'm in the shot, but I'm all the way at the very leading edge. And that is the problem with the gimbal that you can hardly see with glasses in a very bright day, not knowing where the camera's really pointing. Pay attention to the gimbal's head. Let's get on out of here, go get some shade, and get on riding. We'll take a nice, easy, slow ride back. Very powerful shot. I don't do color grading for the reasons of the machine I have, Lenovo Yoga 7i. It's not the best in the world today. If I put a couple of things on, I'm just having a wonderful day with it. Well, fish, from here on, the rest of the remainder of the video, I will do X-Log. My eyes see a bright day, doesn't see a colorful day. I don't have much color but green, marsh, and water. I'm not in the South Caribbean where it is so beautiful and the colors are really being produced, brilliant and vibrant. There is depth over here. I'm in the shade. The Kodak Chrome, the ZI-8, Kodachrome, man. Those were filters in a camera that you just basically choose 6 of the filters. You didn't have to do anything but pick one. But once you pick a color profile, we don't have that in this camera. We have H-log, which is high dynamic range, that you could show the depth and the darkness and the brightness levels, the shadows and all. Or you can just do regular color 8-bit or 10-bit. So would you change your X-log right now to HDR because you're in the sun and the shade going in and out? Some people would. The Xtra Studio by Xtra Tech. It is a online application software that you can edit your video, basic, but it already includes the LUTs, the RC709. You don't have to do anything but just use the LUTs in there. It's for the Xtra sphere, the Xtra, which they call it. And just use your editor and put in your RC709 and color in your color wheel. If you don't want to, just use the Xtra Tech app and color each single file and then put it together and off you go. I use a number of editors. I use Cyberlink PowerDirector 365, an annual $54.95 for the year. And I also use Wondershare Filmora 15, and I bought the perpetual lifetime. I'm only good for this year only, but have the ability to use it thereafter. But the thing was, when I had Filmora 13, it was for the Mac. It's no longer for the Mac, and it expired. So which softwares do I like? The ones that work. We'll pull over to the side and complete this talk. Are you looking for the Xtra X mic by Xtra? It'll be out, but we all don't know the name, what it's going to be called. I'm calling it the Xtra X because it sounds real cool. I'm going to walk in. I'm going to go to the sprinklers. This camera is not waterproof, people. Even though the little splashes not going to hurt you, Well, the Extra Muse has treated me mighty fine for $2.99. And yes, indeed, you can get all the accessories on the market, like for the Pocket 3 for this camera, even the Pocket 4. Somebody out there made a telephoto lens for this camera. I got myself an anamorphic lens. I got myself a Ulanzi PK10 that is on this right now with a mini tripod that I don't have to sit so hard. And I'm waiting for Sonova to come on in with the battery operated hand grip. And on that note, I'm Fish. It's been a pleasure, and we'll color grade the second half of the video, and you'll decide if the first half was to your liking or the second half was to your liking. I'm going to go set you back, put you up, and call it a day.